Jataa tije dho wath ma Mombasa Captain William Ruto ne owacho ni gitiyo kanyakla gi piny owacho mar neno ni gimedo lombo welo mabende bire pacho kae.
This is one of the vessels that will make an overnight stay, and they have 663 passengers, 338 crew. So at least all these people will be able to enjoy our city. They will be visiting various places in our country. This vessel is the second vessel this year, and we are expecting more cruise vessels to come. Tomorrow we are also receiving another cruise ship tomorrow, which will be having more than 1,000 crew plus passengers. But that one will only be staying for a day. It will be arriving 6 in the morning. It will be leaving in the evening. So at least this week alone, Mombasa will be able to handle more than 2,000 tourists.
Melino mabende dendo ni Azamara Jani okelo welo masani timo limbe kuonde mopogre pacho kae kendo biro wuok bang' ndalo ariyo.
We have city tours close to 300 who are going on city tours. Then we have another close to 250 also who are heading to Savo East. And then we also have a flying safari to the Mara and Amboseli. So you can clearly see when it comes to cruise tourism, Madam Sears and Buona Piers, that it's just not about Mombasa. It goes all the way to Noro County, Taita Taveta County is a good part of the country that is going to benefit as well.
Ma Ramogi Radio.